Here we come to some more additional elevators at the Kempinski Hotel in Huairou, China, which technically is in Beijing. I did not realize there are some more extra elevators here. I was just walking down this hallway and I just saw these, I just literally saw these familiar lights in the corner, and as I turned around, there's some more elevators here. Cab is still exact same like all the other ones. I just had no idea that there's some more elevators here. And same exact amount of floors. I didn't even know that there are some more elevators in the corner. What a beautiful sounding chime. All right, let's go down to B1. This one's a little bit darker. I'm gonna send this up and we'll catch the other elevator car if it works, but there's your cab view of this. These are some beautiful, beautiful looking elevators, considering that they were installed in 2015. But these are still nice for such a futuristic hotel as I speak here. Anyways, let's hope that the other elevator car works. I don't know if this one works. Hopefully it does. Yep, and here it is. All right, we're gonna catch this one right here. I'm gonna watch it open. All right, this one's a little bit more brighter than the other one. Yeah, this one's definitely a lot more brighter. The chime on the other elevator is a lot lower than this one. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end it on 1. Wait for it to stop chiming, and let's close the door. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Ooh, it's a lot darker here. No, this is not, no, let's not end here. That opens out like into a private lobby or something. I didn't even know, I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and end it. We're gonna go ahead and end it back at B1 to where I started. I didn't even realize that the first floor is not public or anything like that. Okay, well anyways, we're gonna go ahead and watch it close, so with that being said, there it goes. And that's it.